Lush Loom brings another premium curtain installation to Dubai Hills, this time at Park Ridge Tower, where a residential apartment was transformed with custom blackout curtains designed for both comfort and style. The client wanted one simple result: maximum light control without making the room feel heavy or dark. Our team began with a detailed measurement of the wide window and ceiling recess, creating a plan for a clean ceiling-to-floor curtain installation that would make the space feel taller and more refined. For the final look, the client selected a warm Greige sand beige blackout fabric with a subtle sheen. The neutral tone blends beautifully with the apartment's interior, while the pinch pleat heading creates elegant, evenly spaced folds. Behind the decorative face fabric, a triple weave blackout lining provides the light-blocking performance needed for daytime privacy and comfortable rest. On installation day, the Lush Loom team first secured the concealed ceiling track across the full window span. The finished curtain panels were then carefully hung, aligned and adjusted for a smooth, balanced appearance. Every pleat was steamed and hand-dressed, while the hem was positioned to create a soft, elegant finish against the floor. And the best part? The complete project was measured, supplied, and installed in just one day. Once the curtains close, the difference is immediate. Bright morning light is reduced to just a faint glow near the floor, creating a darker and more comfortable atmosphere. When opened, the panels stack neatly at both sides, keeping the window clear and allowing natural daylight back into the room. The result is a cleaner, taller, more comfortable living space, with custom blackout curtains built specifically for the apartment. Another successful project completed by Lush Loom at Park Ridge Tower, Dubai Hills. Planning a similar curtain project? Contact Lush Loom today and let our team help you create the perfect look for your space.
What makes this installation stand out is the attention to detail behind the finished look. From the initial measurements to the final steaming, every step was carefully planned to ensure the curtains fit the window perfectly. The concealed ceiling track keeps the hardware hidden, creating a clean architectural finish while allowing the curtains to glide smoothly across the entire window. But these curtains are not just about appearance. The blackout fabric helps reduce harsh sunlight, improves daytime privacy, and creates a more comfortable environment for relaxing or sleeping. The ceiling-to-floor design also adds visual height to the room, while the warm greige color keeps the overall atmosphere soft, modern, and inviting. After installation, the difference is clear. The previously bright and exposed window is now framed with elegant full-length curtains that combine privacy, light control, comfort, and luxury in one design.